Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 60. And the topic for today is compound interest of knowledge. Friends, just like financial investments, learning compounds. If you improve by just 1% every day, you are 37 times better by the end of the year. The world is moving faster than ever. If you rely on what you know 2 years ago, you are already left behind. Continuous learning is the only insurance policy against irrelevance. So, what we are going to do this week? Identify one blind spot in your professional life this week. It can be anything. It can be new technology, or you want to learn AI, or you want to learn Excel or PowerPoint, or a soft skill like negotiation, assertive communication, or presentation skill, whatever it is. One blind spot you feel which you want to improve. And then what you do is, for the next 15 days, spend 15 minutes every day learning about it. It can be using a podcast or a YouTube, or you can read a book for 15 minutes, or you can attend an online training, or you can go for a training in the weekend, whatever way you want to do. The next 15 days, minimum 15 minutes every day you spend on it. By the end of this 15 days, you would have been much better in that particular skill. And if you like it, you can repeat this throughout the year. So in a year, you can learn 24 different skills which will take you ahead in your professional life. Friends, it's all about consistency. It's all about spending that 15 minutes every single day. And knowledge compounds, learning compounds, and you will see the difference in your own confidence, and your colleagues will start noticing it, and they will start appreciating and acknowledging that. So let's learn continuously. Have a great week. Happy morning.